Hello and welcome back to the Intro to Computers Introduction to PowerPoint. We're running through the demonstration for the Greater Dayton Dance Academy, and we've continued from steps 1 through 14 already. This presentation begins with step 15. Step 15 reads, add a new slide with to content layout. Okay, well, we begin on the Home tab and on the New Slide and to Content, right? To Content. Boop, left click. And then we're going to add a title. It reads Classic Ballet Technique Emphasize. B-A-L-T-T-C-H-N-I-Q-U-E-E-M-P-H-A-S-I-Z-E-D as the title. And then in the content placeholder on the right, we add more text. Because BALT is the foundation of all dance. All students are required to take B-A-L-A-T-E-C-H-N-I-Q classes. And then at the end of item 15, they say remove the bullet from this item. No bullets. Move this slide so that it becomes slide number 4. That's item 16. Move the slide up 1. On the navigation pane on the left-hand side, we're just going to left-click and hold slide 5 and drag it up so that it becomes slide 4. And that completes item 16. Moving on to item 17. It reads on slide 4. That's the current slide 4, which used to be slide 5. Okay. Insert the video dancing in the content placeholder. I suppose it's the one on the left. Okay, so moving a video. Insert video. There's my cue right there. Insert video. And it should be the video called Dancing. And we're going to click Insert. That's item 17. On item 18, it says open the Info tab in the Backstage view and use the Compress Media to compress the videos to the lowest quality possible. Well, I suppose what that means is we're not going to display this PowerPoint presentation in a very large format. It's going to be intended for a small format display. Okay, here we go. Click on the File tab, and then moving our way down to, let's see, are we at the Info? Yes, it is. And then the Compressed Media is the first block on the left. And the lowest value I have is the one on the left-hand side, Standard. It's going to compress our video and maybe save some space. In this case, it says it's already compressed. Click Close. Then return to normal view. Click the back button. Item 19, it says save the changes to the presentation and then run the slideshow in slideshow view. Okay. First thing we do is click Save, and then in Slideshow, and then run from the beginning. And you can press the Enter key or click until you can see each of the slides. An extra click, you get to watch the lady dance. And press Enter again. And one more time. Okay, so this is very important to everyone who's doing the exercise for class. Please save your work and upload it to Google Classroom where I will be able to see it and grade it. Make sure you upload and turn it in. Have a good day.